So, hi everybody, it's PC96 here again after what I think is a pretty long break. But now I'm back with at least this one new video and it's about passwords. So, the title of this video, this document is how to create a strong password. Now, what does this quite mean? The point is here that you're trying to create a password that is difficult to guess, but it's easy for you to remember at the same time. Um, let's see. I've put some tips, some questions. So something that you are interested in. It could be your hobby, occupation, interest, profession, whatever. It could be PCs, information technology, sports, music, arts, animals, biology, whatever, sciences, religion, whatever. Um, then the second thing is a number that has something to do with the interest or the hobby. And again, remember that it can be your occupation, profession, whatever. And in this case, I'm adding this text over here. So, for example, 7 if you have 7 guitars, or if you use Windows 7 as your operating system. Because the 7 has obviously it has something to do with the fact you have 7 guitars. It's a number of the guitars, and then Windows 7. You see that 7 haunting you there. Then, how could you modify and customize a password? Now, you can usually use capital letters, numbers, and sometimes other characters, such as, exclamation point, whatever. Such symbols, @sign. And now I'm gonna show you. Let's do one word password together. Something that looks like code, but that is easy for you to remember. So remember the first thing. The first thing is your interest, hobby, whatever. So take for example guitars. So you have 7 guitars as there is in my example. I can put the word guitar, but obviously this is just way too obvious. It's the word guitar that, as if I'm for example a guitarist, I might be using it quite a lot every day. So guitar, maybe not the perfect word to put there. So we can do GTR. That's a pretty common short for guitar, I think. But you can put your R, the small one, G, only the T being a capital letter, and then 7. You can put it there, behind it. You can put it in front of it. You can put it in the middle, where you want to. So let's put it there this time. Then what we're going to be doing is that let's try adding a symbol. It could be at, since let's say you have all your 7 guitars at home. So just again home. And now this again home. It's a common word. It's pretty straightforward. So we can take those E and O away. We have HM. We can put the M as capital letter and stuff like this. And then let's say you have some pets, like 2 dogs, whatever. You can have a dog. You can do something like this as well. Put a 2. Replace the O with the number 2. You know, this is pretty good. You can also do the 0 like that. and then 2 after it or before it. You have 2 dogs. So this is basically what we are aiming for. Now this GTR7 at HMD0G. So it doesn't look like a normal word or this kind of thing. Pattern on a keyboard, on your keyboard, or QWERTY. These things are just pretty used, pretty popular, and that's a sad thing because they are easy to guess, and those are probably the first ones that you're gonna try if you want to break on anybody's account anywhere. So just take this thing here. So the thing is that it looks slightly like something like a code, but you know, the GTR stands for guitar, HM, home, dog. Those things have something to do with your life. You know, it makes it easier for you to remember this pattern, this password, this code that has numbers in it. And this is what I think is a very good way of doing passwords that look like code and that are easy to remember. Yeah, in some places, you can have something like a hint. For example, in Windows, you can put a certain word or something that has something to do with a password or something, so it can help you. So you know, it can even help you even more in remembering this code. And now I want to thank you all for watching this video. I hope you learned. Don't use this password, and don't use the same password in all the places that you have an account in. Don't use the same password on Facebook, on MySpace, on YouTube, wherever, especially if that account may have something to do with your money. So again, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed. If you want to ask me something about this in the comments, you can subscribe to me if you want. And see you next time when I will be doing maybe some kind of other information technological videos, maybe teaching you something or doing a review of something. So see you.